Born in the snows and high reaches of the Rocky Mountains, the Colorado River and the Green River rush into the high desert canyon country of the Colorado Plateau, carving and sculpting some of the most dramatic scenery to be found anywhere. Holiday expeditions invite you to step out of the modern world and back through eons of geologic time into an adventure for the curious. An adventure into one of the most isolated and wildly beautiful parts of America, Cataract Canyon. Cataract Canyon in Canyonlands National Park in southern Utah offers world-class whitewater, rivaling the rapids of Grand Canyon, and a glimpse into the spectacular rugged beauty and rich archaeological past of Canyonlands. As a river expedition pioneer and leader in environmentally sensitive adventures, Holiday Expeditions has designed a low-impact trip through Cataract Canyon that both preserves the ecosystem and gives guests an experience long remembered.
The underlying thing about all the trips we run is that a lot of them have the same ingredients. They're a long ways away from people. They have some wilderness values. They usually have some natural and cultural treasures along the way. And it'll be our job, our privilege really, to try and expose those to the guests who come out and spend a little time with us on the trip.
Enlarged by the combined flow of two rivers at the confluence, the energized Colorado has the power to cut through even the most resistant rock. The river comes to life and seems to become more mighty with each obstacle it encounters, scouring and tumbling through the big drops of Cataract Canyon. From mid-May to early June, guests are required to be a minimum of 16 years of age due to the season's tumultuous rapids. Cataract Canyon's rapids can be every bit as challenging as any river in North America. From July through September, the Cataract Canyon trip is the perfect family adventure, an excellent outing for guests of all ages. It's a time to pause, reflect, and enjoy the last evening in this hidden, isolated world beneath the rim. In the morning, the rafts are tethered together for the motorized push through the last 35 miles of Cataract Canyon. Kaleidoscopic reflections of sandstone cliffs are mirrored in light green waters. Countless coves, bays, and inlets emerge into sight. Here, too, there's a chance to cool off, or just sit back and take in the view. In this place of overwhelming natural beauty, there is always something new to see, something new to learn. Red rocks and a tapestry of green border the river. The scent of sage permeates the canyon after a light rain. And the ever-changing sounds, from quiet eddies to wild waters, enliven the canyon. In the roadless wilderness of Cataract Canyon, the only highway is the river. Need a lift?